Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by disabling personalized ads and trimming permissions so the problem area appears faster. Go into Settings, then Google, then Ads, opt out to reduce targeted pop-ups. Once done, inspect home screen widgets and recent installs. You want to spot the likely offender. If unsure, reboot into safe mode. This temporarily disables third-party apps so you can confirm whether ads vanish. Make sure to note any suspicious app names before uninstalling. Now you remove the culprit. You'll uninstall recently added apps first, go through Play Store history, and uninstall anything unfamiliar. If ads persist, check System Apps. Disable or force stop the ones showing banners, then clear cache and storage to remove persistent ad assets. Next, open each browser and revoke site notification permissions, disable pop-ups, and clear site data to stop web-based ads. As you work, reboot between steps so changes take effect and you can confirm progress. Finish by scanning the device with a trusted ad scanner or security app. You want to find residual adware components. Once the scan is clean, review app permissions and remove any apps with unnecessary overlay or notification rights. If ads still appear, back up your data and perform a factory reset. This removes deep system-level changes. If that doesn't help, contact your carrier or Samsung support and provide logs. They can identify network-injected ads or firmware issues and advise next steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.